The Panasonic AG-456 Pro Line is a professional S-VHS camcorder from the mid-1990s, designed for schools, event videographers, and news reporting rather than home use. It features a 1/3-inch CCD sensor, over 400 lines of horizontal resolution, and digital still memory, making it a capable, though analog, video recording device for its era. Its S-VHS format, Vitzy time code, and flying erase head made it a good choice for basic editing. Key features. Professional format, it records to S-VHS tapes and was designed for professional use, not home entertainment. Image sensor, features a 1/3-inch CCD image sensor. Resolution, provides over 400 lines of horizontal resolution. Lighting, can record in as low as 1 lux, though it has a recommended illumination of 1400 lux. Shutter speed, includes 8 shutter speeds ranging from 1/60 to 1/8000th of a second. Editing features, includes Vitzy time code and a flying erase head for easier editing. Digital effects, offers digital video effects like a strobe and tracer, as well as a digital still memory function for wipes or dissolves. Connectivity, has a 5-pin control remote port for controlling the camera from a distance. Target audience, was frequently sold to schools, churches, and event videographers.